and every one of you. Brace yourselves for a one-of-a-kind experience. Marami po kaming pasabog para sa ating guest dito sa media ngayon. Thank you once again for joining us at this pivotal moment. Your presence here signals that you are not just observers, but collaborators in unveiling something extraordinarily powerful which can change the lives of many Filipinos. Pero bago ang lahat, bago tayo maka-immerse fully sa Talaverse, kailangan pantay ang energy level natin, okay? I need to feel the passion right now. When I say Tala, I want everybody to scream, Batas na ang laban! Tala! Batas na ang laban! Louder! Tala! Batas na ang laban! Isa pa, pag hindi sumigaw, hindi mananalo sa games mamaya. Tala! Batas na ang laban! Yes! And another big round of applause for everybody in the room shining so brightly tonight. In just a few moments, we will open the gateway to a world built not just on innovation, but on the promise of fairness, empowerment, and possibility for every Pinoy. Nakakataba talaga ng puso yan. We count on you to help tell the story with depth, integrity, and energy. Today is about participation. Lahat po kayo ha? Participation is key talaga. Today is about awakening. So thank you once again for stepping into this world with us. And can we please give it up for Tala one more time, everybody? Yono! And now it is my absolute pleasure to bring to the stage the person who has championed that very promise in every decision and direction he has taken. Please join me in welcoming the General Manager of Tala Philippines, Mr. Maurice Gasol!
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for bringing the energy. Thank you, Kuya Show. Like, what an amazing performance. I wish I could dance the way our performers were dancing. First off, thank you so much everyone for coming here today. We have met quite a few media attendees, some partners here, and when we were looking at the weather last week, we were a bit afraid that everyone's going to make it, but luckily that's looking a lot better this day today. And I know you're all seeing your armbands here. Looks a bit like a Coldplay concert, don't worry, there's not going to be any Kiss now whatsoever. But you'll see later what it's going to be for. So I know we're all here today for unveiling a newest member of the Tala family. But before we actually get to that, I wanted to spend a minute or two talking briefly about what Tala actually is and introducing it to some of you that actually are not that familiar with it just yet. So, as mentioned earlier, my name is Moritz and I'm the General Manager of Tala. Tala is a financial technology platform that has been around for more than 10 years in the Philippines for more than 8 years, originally headquartered in the United States in California. And in the Philippines we have more than 3 million customers, and what unites us really across all our different markets is our mission. Is our mission to serve the underserved, to serve what we internally refer to as the Global South, the underserved market in the Philippines and also in some of our other markets. So what it truly means is that we are including those that otherwise don't have access to financial services, that we are creating financial inclusion, that we bring them along in the journey. Because truly, for those of you that have been here earlier and seen the videos that we were showing here, so many of our customers have it really hard, they need to meet daily expenses, they're working 7 days a week, they're working multiple jobs. So it's really our mission to help level the playing field in the Philippines, to give everyone equal opportunities, and to continuously strive for enabling more opportunities for our customers in the Philippines. So that's really the mission that unites us as Tala. We are doing so through technology, through many new services that we're launching, and it's super exciting to look ahead into our future, to be able to serve many more of our fellow Filipinos. But enough of me talking about Tala for now. I'm showing Tala as the platform. We're going to be talking a lot more about this later, but I know most of you are here also for the unveiling of our newest ally that we're welcoming to the Talaverse. And in particular, we're super excited about it because her personality really matches with our mission, her experience really matches with our mission. But enough of me talking about it. I'm sure everyone is excited for the program. So thank you again. Mabuhay, welcome to the Talaverse. Thank you for joining.
Thank you very much, Lawrence. Maraming salamat po. There you have it. Thank you for guiding us into this new world where fairness meets opportunity and every light we see shines for empowerment. At tinis niya rin ng konti, as to what we can expect later on, the unveiling of the newest member of Tala. May mga hula na ba kayo? Do you have any guesses? Magaling kayo eh! Syempre, you guys have all the inside scoop, so no doubt about it, you have an inkling as to who that is. But for now, I also want to feel the competitive spirit of our guests. Sino ang mga competitive dito? Meron po ba? Umaapaw ng, ayan, eto na eh. Feeling ko may champions na tayo dito sa section na to eh. Kanina pa siya sumisigaw dyan eh. So before we light things up some more, let's gear up your hero energy. Mga katala, it is time for you to get ready to sync your spirit. So in just a moment, we'll launch into our group competition. Yes, you guys are going to be working together. This is going to be very, very exciting. Pati ako na-excite at medyo kinakabahan din ako kasi alam kong medyo intense din kayo eh. Alright, so we'll be launching into our group competition where collaboration and that unbeatable patas na ang laban spirit will take center stage. So you're gonna need to show us your energy because the Talaverse begins at your spark. So ang tanong, who's ready to win some prizes today? Over there, come on, who's ready to win some prizes today? Yes, that's the Tala spirit we're looking for. It is time to assemble your squads for our game. At tamang-tama si Mori, it's gonna feel like a Coldplay concert. Hindi lang dahil medyo kahawig niya si Chris Martin, pero dahil meron tayong LED bracelets, di ba? Yan, pamingin niya. Okay, so to form your teams, please raise your LED bracelets in the air right now. There you go. Watch as the lights change color. Keep them up, keep them up, keep them up, and those who glow in the same color will be part of your team. Ganun lang kadali. So we'll have 6 groups in total. Asa na? Alright, 6 groups in total, each ready to bring their patas na laban spirit to the game. Once your bracelet color settles, find your team members, and we do have our Tala marshals as well. There you go, in silver. Can I see the colors? There you go. Do you see them? We have red, we have yellow, green, orange, and white over there. Our Tala marshals are currently holding their signages. Make your way to that marshal that matches your bracelet color. All right, it is time for us to unite in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, Team White, I see great things in your future. Team White, good deal. Assemble that. Come on, Tala heroes, it is time to assemble and unite. Team Green, welcome to the family. Team Green is over there, that side. All right, come on guys, gather around. Green, nandito ang green. Yellow over there. Tapos we have blue, white, red to this side. So your right. Come on you guys, time's a wasted. Hurry up so you can get to know your team members and you can start strategizing. Ayan. Yan ang gusto ko dito sa crowd na to. Mabilis. Team Blue, parang halos kompleto na yata kayo. Team Red, Yellow, Orange. Okay. You have very, very important missions. Team Green, dito. Green tayo. Green. Sir, dito po tayo. Ayan. Team Green, ako. Well, hindi pa tayo nagsastart. Nahihirapan na si Sir. Okay. Okay na yata. Are we good? Alright, let's do a quick roll call. The louder you cheer, the higher chances of winning our games. Let's start with Team Blue. Where you at? Yeah! Show me your Tala spirit. Team Yellow. Woo! Loving that. Bring the heat. Team Red. Yes. Where are you at, Team about to begin right now. And we are going to call this Talaverse Code Quest. Teams, listen carefully to the mechanics, alright? Assign a designated code sender from your team first. Sino ang mabilis mag-type? Sino ang mabilis mag-type sa phone? Mamili na kayo ng designated code sender. Dapat maganda rin sana yung eyesight, no? Para hindi mahirapan. Alright. Sino mahilig mag-chat dyan? Sa mga crush nila, jowa nila, asawa nila. Alright. All teams must find 5 code words. Again, a total of 5 code words under the category that will be shown on screen. By the way, this will be done through Viber. So kailangan yung designated code sender nyo may Viber. May Viber po ba? Yes? Okay naman. The themes or categories are all about the Talaverse. And as a team, you have to note the list of words you found, and we actually made it easier for you because the words are all just in vertical patterns. Vertical and horizontal patterns, rather. So no diagonal words, no diagonal patterns. Lalo po ba? Yes? List those 5 words and the code sender from your team must submit it to this designated Viber portal. 0920-911-7361. So maganda siguro kung ano, no? Naka-type na siya, naka-ready to send na ang mga sagot nyo because the first team to submit the 5 correct code words wins virtual PowerPoints. Now we're gonna add those points up at the end of the games to determine the winner. So you want to collect as much as you can. If you get a code word wrong, we will immediately announce it to give you a chance to find the correct code word. Alright, okay na ba? Klaro na po ba? Teams, are you ready? Parang hindi pa yata. Teams, are you ready for the Talaverse Code Quest? Alright. I think we're good to go. So for our first category, for 100 virtual power coins, we have inclusion. Find the 5 words that highlight how Tala champions financial access for all. Ready? Ready? Tala and go! Remember, no diagonal patterns, all horizontal and all vertical. If you like, you can come a little bit closer. Pwede nyo rin picturean para pwede nyo lang hanapin sa phone nyo. So maraming options. I'm giving you a lot of tips and tricks as to how to get ahead. 5 words, that's what we're looking for. 5 code words under the category inclusion. I-send nyo na kaagad at doon namin ma-determine ang mananalo sa round na ito. Who will get those 100 power coins? Alright. Come on guys, nandiyan na yung theme at madali na to. Walang diagonal patterns. Only 5 words. Napipili ko yung stress levels dito. Umaangat na. Team Green, ang lapit-lapit nyo na sa stage. Kumusta naman kayo dyan? Ayan na, tinatay na. Tinatay na. Pwede pang humabon you guys. Come on. 5 words lang. Send it right away to that Viber number. The first one to send all 5 correct codes will get 100 power coins. First one pa lang to. It has to be all 5 words in one message, just to clarify. All 5 words in one message. Nasend na po ba? Uy, may nakasend na! May nakasend na yata! Okay, may nagsend na. Green ang unang nagsend. Alright. So, we're gonna take a look at the answers and see if pasok na. If pasok Team Green ang mga sagot ninyo. For 100 power points, we are asking you to look for 5 code words under the category inclusion. Are we ready to reveal them? First one is access. Second is global. Third is equity. Fourth is inclusion. And fifth is affordable. Come on, you guys. Okay, Team Green, 100 power points to you. Puti. Actually, pati ako rin nahirapan. Congratulations, Team Green. What a way to start the game. Okay, let's move on to the next category for another 100 virtual PowerPoints. Tuloy-tuloy na natin ito. Our next category, one of the hardest traits to find in a relationship these days. Wow, may huwa. Trust. O, diba? Trust. Find the 5 words that resonate with Nada's foundation. Trust. All right, teams. Ready? Nada, go! Remember, don't be shy. You can approach us a little bit closer to the stage so you can get a better look. Or another technique would be to take a photo of it and look for it through your phone para mas malapit pa sa inyo. Ayan. Yun ang ginagawa ng team natin dito. Go for it, you guys. Just 5. Just 5. Horizontal pa kayo o kayo ko lang. Walang diagonal patterns. 5 things that relate to our category, trust, because that is our foundation here in Pala. We want to be able to build that trust with our customers. And I do think that the fact that we have 3 million customers already is a testament to that we've already managed to establish that. So let's see if you're able to find the themes that surround that category. Trust! May nakapag-submit na. Okay, Team Red! Team Red! Ang nauna. Tingnan natin kung pasok ang 5 words nila. So, first word is trust. Next one, we have credibility. Third, transparency. Fourth, integrity. And finally, security. Pasok pa si Team Red? Yes! 100 virtual PowerPoints to you. Palakpakan naman dyan, you guys. Asa na yung pinaka-competitive kong friend dito? Di ba Team White? Kaya pa. Blue. Ayan, okay. Next one. Okay, ito. We're gonna up the ante a little bit. For 200 PowerPoints naman. 200 PowerPoints. The next category is connection. Find the 5 words that illustrate Tada's role in connecting lives and economies. Ready? Tada, go! Just to remind all our teams, importante po ito, hindi makakount unless it is one message containing all 5 words with your team color. Please include your team color and all 5 words in just one message. Kung hindi po ganun yung format nyo, hindi po siya makakount. Pasok ba? Kasama yung team color? Yes, 5 words in one message. We're just waiting for the signal of our directors. Let's see kung tama. Include the color. Alam mo, ang dami nag-cheer. Di ko alam kung sino na una sa inyo. Pabilisan na lang talaga. And again, kailangan kasama yung color ng team nyo at kailangan isa lang yung message na sinisend nyo with all 5 code words. So we're determining right now kung sino yung nauna. Okay. Tapos i-double check nyo rin na yung mga sagot nyo. Dapat tama yung spelling, dapat tama lahat bago ma-qualify yun. So, the first one to send it in the right format with all 5 correctly spelled code words will be able to qualify for those points. Oh, Team Orange! Kayo yung nauna! Grabe. So, for 200 PowerPoints, let's take a look at the answers. Communities rather. Ecosystem, digital, we have partnerships, and cash. Ako'y nahirapan ko na. Pasok ba si Team Orange? Yes! 200 PowerPoints for you! Okay. Dagdagan pa natin. Kailangan yung humabol. Team White, Team Blue. Sino mo ba walang points dito? Team Red, meron na kayo, no? Kayo wala pa ako. Kailangan humabol. Ito na. For 350 PowerPoints naman at ang kategorya natin ay Innovation. Discover 5 words that reflect Tada's data-driven edge. Ready? Tada, go! Horizontal or vertical? One message with your team color and all 5 codes. Please make sure to send us the right format para hindi naman masayang ang effort nyo. First one to give us all that will get 350 power coins for this category. 350 power coins. So remember, you need to rank these coins up in order to be determined the winner at the end of all our games today. So get to it, work as a team, collaborate, you guys, just like how Tada internally collaborates with each other and with all their customers. We need to collaborate well. Kailangan okay yung teamwork natin. We need to unite. Okay, pa-double check kasi according to our team, mali pa rin minsan yung mga sagot nyo. So baka may maling spelling, baka mali yung code, baka gumagawa kayo ng sariling code nyo dyan. So kailangan pasok pa rin siya at swak pa rin siya dito sa kategorya natin, which is innovation for this particular round. Double check everything para hindi masayang yung effort. Feel like it's getting harder and harder. But for 350 power coins, kailangan doble din talaga yung effort natin. We only started with 100 power coins earlier. So we want to make sure to really make you work for it. Come on teams, you can do it. Oh, I feel the stress even on stage. I feel like it's getting more and more intense. Ito nakasmile na itong mga Team Red, okay naman kayo? Nag-send naman kayo? Well, confident. So I think we are now trying to determine kung sino ang unang nakapag-send. Nako, mali-mali pa rin daw yung mga nakapag-submit. Mali pa rin. So paki-double check kung nakapag-submit na kayo at kung wala pa akong sinasabi. Usually kasi pag may tama na, i-reveal na natin yung mga sagot. Send ulit. I-send ulit. Bawal i-edit. Kailangan resend. Kailangan resend. Okay? Strict tayo dito. Maayos yung protocols natin kasi bongga rin ang prices natin. So kailangan todo effort tayo, everybody. Just because you submitted, if I haven't said anything yet, then that means may mali sa mga sinenyo. Either sa format, sa spelling, or the code word itself is not there. So just to go through it, team color, all 5 words, and they need to be correctly spelled. Alright. Ayan na, back to work na sila Team Red ulit kasi mali nga. 5 words na pasok sa innovation category natin. Okay, we're gonna give you a clue. Yung word na audit is not part of the list. Ayan. Pero in fairness, very innovative of you guys to look for other codes. But that is not part of the list of code words for innovation. So hindi po pasok ang audit. If you've included it in your messages, please remove it. Eto na. Hindi kasi kayo nakikinig, may tumama naman pala. Pero hindi na isama ang kulay ng team nyo. Oh, kaya kanina pa ako paulit-ulit dito kailangan. Team color. All 5 words correctly spelled. Kailangan ma-determine namin kung saan galing yung message na yon. At pag may i-edit kayo, kailangan resend. Hindi pwedeng i-edit nyo lang yung na-send nyo na message. Okay. Meron na! Team White! Okay. Let's take a look at the answers. This one's a tough one. Pati ako pinawisan dito. Alright, here we go. Move on. We have FinTech. We have underwriting. We have credit scoring. And one more. We have scalability. Hirap. Kaya palang tagal nyo. Ginudge ko kayo dito pero ang hirap pala na makasagot. In fairness, Team White! Paano makakawa dyan? 350. Meron pa? Sino pa walang points? Blue at yellow. Asa na kayo? Blue at yellow. Ito na yung pagkakataon nyo, okay? 500 power points. 500. Last category na to. Final category, or don't worry, may isa pa tayong game. 500 power points at stake. The category is empowerment. Alright, your job is to hunt 5 words that highlight how Tada uplifts communities. Ready, Tada, go! Huwag kalimutan ang format. Kailangan kasama ang Caller ng team. Kailangan, isa lang yung message with all 5 correctly spelled codes. Otherwise, hindi po counted. At masasayang ang effort nyo. Huwag naman gano'n, di ba? Team Yellow, come on, you can do this. 500 power coins at stake. Team Green, you guys have the best view. Come on. Step it up, step it up. Remember, you can come closer if that helps you. You can take a photo of it so that you can take a look at it through your phone. Use all the tools that you can and send it through Viber. There's the number right there with our required format. Team Red Barcelona! Wow! Wow! Bagay na bagay ang Red. Napaka-passionate ang team na to. Tignan nga natin ang tamang sagot. Resilience, facilitation, opportunity, confidence, and growth. Tama ba? 500 power points for Team Red! Para ba kanawan po dyan? Thank you, everybody! Alright. You guys can chill for a little bit as we tabulate the scores. Do not worry. Sino pa ba ulit yung malang points dito? Team Yellow. At di ba na kayo? Team Blue. Di ba nakita yung pinaka-ingay na beshi ko kanina? Okay na, Blue. Okay lang yan.